You messed up. The exam is tomorrow and you've done absolutely nothing. No notes, no prep, just vibes, anxiety, and a faint hope that caffeine and miracles will carry you through. But here's the plot twist. You can still pass if you follow this chaotic, caffeine-fueled survival plan I'm about to give you. No fluff, no motivational quotes, just battle-tested hacks to cram smarter, not harder, even if you're starting from zero. Let's go. Time's ticking. 8. Start with a panic plan. Yes, panic first, then organize it. First, stop pretending you're going to study everything. That fantasy? Dead. Grab a rough sheet, write down topics you think will be on the exam, based on syllabus, teacher rants, or past papers. Rate each one. Red equals you know nothing. Yellow equals you kind of get it. Green equals you're a legend. Now, ignore everything except the red boxes. You're in damage control mode, not perfection mode. Prioritize what matters. 7. Fuel your brain like a sleep-deprived war general. Put down the chips and listen up. If you're cramming, your brain needs green tea, not coffee. Caffeine plus L-theanine equals focused, not jittery. Dark chocolate. Tastes like guilt, but boosts memory. Nuts, walnuts, almonds, brain steroids. Omega-3 capsules unless you're grilling salmon at midnight, psycho. And drink some water. Your brain is not a raisin. 6. Watch, write, recite. Triple threat learning. YouTube study videos? Cool. But if you're just watching, you're just vibing. Do this instead. 1. Turn on captions. 2. Play at 1.5x speed. 3. Take messy notes. 4. Pause. Recite what you just learned out loud. This isn't movie night. You're activating multiple senses to force your brain to remember under pressure. It's like academic CPR. Do it. 5. Teach a wall. Yes, actually teach it. Pick a topic. Now, pretend your wall is your student. Explain it like it's failing the class. Say it out loud. If you stumble, that's the gap you fix. This is the Feynman technique on last-minute steroids. No wall, use your reflection, or a friend, or your dog. Just teach. Don't rehearse in your head, talk. 4. Active recall or enjoy failing. Stop rereading. That's fake studying. Your brain is just sightseeing. Instead, use flashcards, Anki, Quizlet, or make your own fast. Do past questions. Set a 5-question timer. Force answers fast. Even if you get them wrong, your brain is now engaged, not just napping with your eyes open. 3rd, spaced repetition, Crammer edition. Normally, this is a long-term technique. But here's the Cram version. 1. Study a topic. 2. Come back to it in 30 minutes. 3. Again in 3 hours. 4. Again before bed. It's like reminding your brain, hey, don't forget this or we're both dead tomorrow. 2. Study right before sleeping. Yes, seriously. No TikTok. No scrolling. Use your last energy to rewrite key formulas, review bullet notes, whisper terms to yourself like you're casting spells. Then sleep. Why? Because your brain literally rewires itself during sleep to remember better. This is science, not Hogwarts. 1. Do a memory dump in the exam. You enter the exam hall. You sit. You panic. Instead of staring at the first question like it's written in ancient Greek, do this. Take the back of the paper, write everything you remember. Formulas, dates, definitions, diagrams, cheat codes from your brain's short-term storage. Now, when the pressure hits, you've got a lifeline already written down. This video wasn't just hacks. It was a last-minute rescue mission. And if you made it this far, you're already ahead of the zombies who are still binge-watching Study With Me ASMR. So stop scrolling, start doing. Use these 8 hacks like your grades depend on it. Because they do. Like the video if it saved your butt. Comment your best last-minute exam tip, if you have one. And hit subscribe because I'll keep you learning faster than your past self thought was possible. Now go, cram, conquer, sleep, survive. And maybe don't procrastinate next time. But I know you will.